Welcome everyone to Project Jodie Day 4. I'm probably going to be eating my words, choosing to say it was a 4-day adventure, but we're never going to be able to finish today. We at least accept that. To start the day, we're going to be taking off the timing chain cover and replacing that from the broken one yesterday. We've got Bruce that just dropped by. Bruce is working hard already. Bruce is also coming by, and Sheila might be dropping by too. With luck, we'll keep moving the thing a little bit forward, but we're not finishing it today. Our goal for a 4-day adventure was to get it done while we had time off between the Christmas break. It looks like we're going to have to extend that beyond, and hopefully we can get this thing going, but there's no set point, but R53 life. I'll check back throughout the day with some updates as we find them. If your clutch explodes or has some sort of damage, make sure that whoever's doing your clutch job cleans out the housing afterwards. The amount of debris that I found while cleaning this thing out, there's actual ball bearings that were still left in this housing last time, and they were just bouncing around, doing whatever to destroy or at least mar up or take care of. Who knows what that could have happened. Just clean out. Do a nice job while you're in there. Holy cow.
The most crucial part is getting the clutch disc facing the correct side. So it will always have either gearbox side or flywheel side written on one of the sides. So you just want to make sure that goes on the correct side. You also want to make sure that you use brake cleaner to clean the surfaces. Make sure there's no grit or oil or anything on there that's going to impregnate itself onto the clutch friction disc, because then you'll just slip your clutch. And then it's just a simple matter of assembling it.
Project Jodie, end of day 4. If we didn't have bad luck, we'd have no luck at all. Seems like every step of the way we needed to order some new parts, or some of the parts weren't accurate. 4 days would have been an okay amount of time had everything worked out and I had all the parts ordered, or at least we didn't break things. The problems today ended up being the timing chain cover. We weren't able to take the front main seal and recover it. And cleaning up the clutch housing, that ended up taking a bit too. So what can you do? Wednesday 5, I have no idea. We're going to keep working at it when we can, and I'll keep updating here. In the meantime, don't forget to hit subscribe and check us out on both our Facebook and YouTube channels.
If you need help, hang up and then dial the operator.